So how can you make the Apple Watch time to show up in the top right of the screen, right? Like how can you set up the Apple Watch in that way? So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so in order to change that, what you have to do is to change the watch face, right? So you can see that you can browse the watch faces in the watch app in the face gallery at the bottom, and you can see how they will look when you set them up. And there are a bunch of them available. Like when you scroll down a bit, you can see all of the different designs and styles. But for example, the modular duo is having the time in the top right corner, right? So you can pick that one, and this is where the time will be located. Or a lot of people go with the motion, right, which also look kind of cool and have the time in the top right corner. You can see more of those are available, right? So yeah, that's how you can set it up. You can see more of them are available, and there are also like the time lapses, right? Toy Story has it in that corner, so you get to pick and make it look like you want based on the watch faces, right? You even get to pick like the photos one where you get to pick the time in either location, right? So you can make it like small and the time in the top right corner. And with the photos watch face, you even get to pick the time position. So that's pretty cool, right? So yeah, that's how you can manage it, but you cannot really just customize it. On the watch face, you have to switch to a different one if you want to achieve this look. But that's how it works. At the end of the day, just make sure your Apple Watch looks the way that you like it. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Most definitely subscribe for more. And I'll see you later in the next videos.